What's up, guys? So today I'm filming a little video on the drivability with the ETS Extreme Exhaust. I've been asked by a few friends of mine to do a drivability video on exactly how the vehicle sounds with with the full exhaust on and no cats on it. So just a quick little rundown on the modifications of the vehicle. This vehicle is as you can tell from the name of the channel, it is a 2017 Subaru STi. For those who may not know, new to the channel or just browsing around on YouTube late at night, whatever. These Subarus are known for their 2.5 liters EJ-based engines. This in particular has a 257 in it. I wouldn't say the latest and greatest because there are 19s that have a little bit more of a stable type platform on them from factory. But aside from that, in terms of modifications, the vehicle is right at about full bolt-on. So it's got a Process West top mount intercooler. It has a Cobb 20G turbo. It has, of course, the Catless downpipe, full ETS extreme exhaust. It's got ID, I forgot what size, I think they're 1050s injectors, 350 pump, Cobb flex fuel, I mean, you know, all the go fast goodies. It makes a 381 all wheel. So I mean, it's stout. This is my daily vehicle, so I didn't want to go too crazy in terms of just going balls out with the vehicle. But yeah, essentially, I'm just gonna give you all a few little sound clips of how the vehicle sounds on the inside, so that if you are considering the exhaust, you kind of know what exactly you're working with. The issue that I had with when I was looking to buy an exhaust was that we had no videos of anybody that was really no real actual reviews of the actual exhaust sound, any of that, just more or less people installing them, which was kind of irritating, to be honest. So my intent of this video and future video, past videos, if you can tell, are exhaust clips. So with that being said, I'll just go ahead and put in Sport Sharp here. I'll go ahead and shut up and let everything else do the talking. So yeah. So yeah, just for starters there, the vehicle has no resonators, no mufflers, it being the extreme exhaust. So essentially you can say, I wouldn't say it's necessarily straight piped, being that it's not straight, but it is in fact no cats and very loud. I don't necessarily mind it. I like it. I don't drive the vehicle as much as one would think in terms of long driving. I only drive to work and back. That's all I do is really work. Else I would put out some more quality type videos, but essentially I'm working with a 10-minute drive to work and 10 minutes back. That's for the reason for the low miles. I only have 13,000 miles on it in the last 2 years I've had it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I finally got my damn police interceptor working. It was messed up a little bit, but yeah. Other than that, I'll yeah, go ahead and let the video do its talking. once we well, there's not much places I can do some spirited driving at, but yeah, we'll do a quick little exhaust review here internally, and then I'm gonna go on. I don't know how to pause the video to kind of put two clips in one. Yeah, guys, that is the ETS inside of the car. It is not for the faint of heart. If you have children, which I do in fact have little kids, as you can tell here in the back seats. I do have little ones. And luckily, like I said, they don't drive with me as much, so. Awesome. Love this car, guys. Absolutely an absolute blast to drive. There are not many places here well, there are. False. There are plenty of places here in Tennessee to kind of drive the vehicle great and aggressively, of course, but of course all with safe monitoring, and then you know, you all know the rest. But alright, guys, I'm coming up to the gas station here. I'm going to pull over. I'm going to turn the video off. I'm going to upload this video because I am a fucking YouTube noob. I don't know how to edit the video nor include other clips. So I'm going to pull over to this gas station here. I'm going to end this video, upload it to YouTube, and get some sound clips of the outside going wide open on these here interstates. So, alright, guys. Awesome video, or little clip here. I'm going to turn it off. Cheers.